what it do, SRT gang. It's your boy with the fat Swaggyreacts, and we are back with another reaction video, man. And we got some more Rammstein. Rammstein, man. That's what we're gonna be checking out today. Like, hold up. So the title of this song is Mein Till, like Mein Till. I think I'm saying that right. But of course, like I checked on my last recent video of Rammstein. I was trying to roll my R there. Rammstein, and it was Eagle, bro. And like, this is all I seen, like, in the comment section was Mein Till, bro. They were like, Mein Till is the next song you have to react to. Whatever you do, of course, like, don't look up what it means. But of course, you know, I'm hard headed. I'm gonna do what I want to do anyway. And I looked it up, and bruh. What I tell y'all, bro, that shit, like, don't look it up. If you do, you gonna regret it. I promise you, bro. So, but listen, like, this is what we're gonna be checking out today, cause their live performances, bro, are literally the best I've seen, bro. They go to the extra mile, bro. Like, when it comes to performing, bro, and like, I really enjoy these guys, man. Like, shout out to the whole, everybody in Germany, bro. I appreciate every single one of you guys that subscribe to your boy. You know what I'm saying? Like, we on the road to 20K, man. I know, by the amount of views that I be getting from these guys, bro, like, every single one of y'all, I should be hitting that subscribe button, man, because I should be at 20K at any given time now. You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, man, listen, let's try to get this video. I want to do a goal, 1,000 likes, bro, because I get over like 5,000 views. So, 1,000 likes on this video for me, man. So, enough of me talking, bro. Let's get into it. I'm done. Rammstein. I love saying that, by the way. Rammstein is here. Let's go. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Damn. What the hell he bringing out? Look, this is, you see what I mean when I say they go the extra mile? What is Teil up to now? What is he up to? Oh, Lord. What are you up to, man? My man's is always covered in blood, bro. Like, bro, what is going on with my man's, bro? Is he always killing people? Is he a psychopath killer? Cause that like, none of my subs are telling me, like. Yo. Look at all those people in Rio. I need to go to. No, this isn't. No, oh, never mind. Is it at Rio? I don't know. It's definitely a festival though, and it's packed out that bitch.
Heute treffe ich einen Herrn, der
Yo, like, what is up with him and always wanna hurt my man Flake, bro? First he dropped a whole thing of fire in my man when he was in the tub, and now he over here, I'm trying to turn him into beef stew. Like, what's going on here, man? I thought they was friends.
Der hat mich zum Fressen gern. Weiche Teile und auch Arten stehen auf der Speisekarte. Denn was
Ah. Yeah.
die stumpfe Klinge gut und recht. Ich blute stark und mir ist schlecht.
Bro, hey, bro, and then my man's always got this little bright suit on, like is that his sickness? Like, is that just something he wears, bro? Cause he be wearing this like every video I've done so far, bro.
Muss ich auch mit der Ohnmacht kämpfen? Ich esse weiter unter Krämpfen. Ist doch so gut gewürzt und so schön nach Bier und so liebevoll auf Porzellan serviert. Dazu ein guter Wein und zarter Kerzenstein. Ja, da lass ich mir sein, was Kultur muss sein. Denn was und ihr wisst, was das ist.
I know what that means. Yo, bro, the definition of this word, bro. Oh my gosh.
Das ist mein Teil. Mein Teil. Dein Schrei wird zum Himmel fahren, schneidet sich durch Engelscharen.
Yeah.
Vom Wolkendach hält Federflei auf meine Kindheit mitgekreit.
Yo, why he always gotta hurt my man? Why he always gotta hurt him? What is going on, brother? Like, they not like each other or something, bro? Cause he stay trying to set my man on fire, trying to cook him. Like, what is going on? Like, why? Oh my god. Oh my god, all that fucking fire, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, bro, why he? Oh no, he blew my man up. Oh no, Flake, not my man Flake. Come on, man. Why couldn't it been like the guitarist? Why you gotta take my man Flake out, man? Teil, What's up? Yo, Rammstein is on another level when it comes to these performances, man. Like, you gotta give it up. Oh my God, bro. Yo, my God, bro. Blake, he's alive! He's alive! And now he about to get his revenge. He's out of there, coach. Yes, sir! Oh! Yo! Yo, Rammstein! Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Rammstein is in the building, bro. Shout out to these guys, bro. That was Montel. I'm not telling you what the definition is. You're going to have to look it up yourself. And that's on you, my guy. That's on you. You feel me? But y'all see what I mean when they go to that extra level when it comes to performing, bro? Beautiful, bro. I love these guys, man. I really appreciate every single subscriber, bro. Go share this on all your social medias, man. That's the only way we gonna grow, baby. That's the only way. You know what I'm saying? And SRT gang. Oh, let me know what I need to react to next. Give me some more songs in the comment section. And whatever has the most likes, I got y'all, man. I'm out this thing, man. Let's get it.